Hi everyone. Today, I will introduce a laboratory micron-level iron remover. Laboratory micron-sized iron impurities is a pain point in the R&D process. So is Magnetec's mini Slurry magnetic separator, designed for lithium batteries, chemicals, food, ceramics, pharmaceutical and other high-precision fields. Based on electromagnetic effect, it gathers through magnetic field to capture micron-sized impurities. Core magnetic field reaches 17,000–18,000 GS. It can be cleaned automatically online. It has 3 core advantages. First, low power, high magnetic field intensity, with power less than 3 kilowatts, and the magnetic field intensity can reach 17,018 Gs. The second advantage is the chamber is only 2 liters, with very little material loss. Third advantage, the body is small, flexible to move, sanitary clamp quick connection. It is suitable for various testing scenarios. It has a pp-level filtration accuracy, using technology to protect every drop of purity and help you upgrade your production line. Welcome your inquiry.